Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihana's Kitchen Corner. Mango season is here. Here I'm back with another mango dessert with just 3 ingredients. Mango ice cream. Mango ice cream is a must-try dessert for mango lovers in this hot summer. Trust me, this is my last mango dessert for this season. Maybe one more. For this recipe, I'm using 3 ripe mangoes, 2 of them pureed and 1 cubed into small pieces, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream and 1 can of condensed milk. Just 3 ingredients. Chop the mangoes into small pieces and put it in a blender and blend it well until you get a smooth puree. Add 2 cups of heavy cream in a big bowl and beat until soft peak appears. Add in the condensed milk and mango pulp. Beat it again until everything combined together. Fold it very gently and then you can pour it into a glass dish with a tight fitting lid. You can put a cling wrap on top of the ice cream and then place the lid. Cover and freeze it for like 2 hours. After 2 hours of freezing, you can take it out and mix in the cubed mango pieces and mix it well, and then you can return the dish back to the freezer. This step is absolutely optional, but you will love it. Cover and freeze it until it's set. Let it stay outside for a few minutes and then you can serve and enjoy. Trust me, this is the best mango ice cream I ever tasted. Better than the store-bought. You must try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching everyone. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.